Hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making veg quesadilla. It is an easy, tasty and quick recipe, so please continue watching my video. For ingredients, we need salt, ginger garlic paste, corn, black pepper powder, oregano leaves and chili flakes, peppers, स्प्रिंग ऑनियन, रेड ऑनियन, ग्रीन चिली। मैं एक पैन में ऑयल थोड़ा सा ले लूँगी। ऑयल थोड़ा गर्म होने के बाद थोड़ी सी हम उसमें हींग डालेंगे और वन बाय वन ऑल इंग्रेडिएंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड। रेड ऑनियन, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, all the peppers we need. You can see I have taken all the colors peppers. Give it a stir. Here we have taken taco masala. Now we are going to add taco masala, and one by one we are going to add all masala like salt, black pepper powder, oregano leaves and chili flakes. Give it a stir and mix it properly. Now we are going to add spring onion. Give it a stir. Now we are going to add soaked beans, kidney beans. You can see it's called rajma as well. And mix it properly. Now we are going to mash little bit. Here I have taken tortillas. Here I have taken Tostito salsa and sour cream. You can see. For garnishing I have taken some coriander leaves. Now we are going to put quesadilla in a pan and spread some butter on it. Now I am going to add some stuffing which I made from the beans. You can see, and some grated cheese. Now I am going to cover stuffing with other side. You can see. After 1 minute, my veg quesadilla is ready to serve. Now I am going to put in one dish and I'm gonna cut with pizza cutter. My veg quesadilla is ready and you can serve with salsa and sour cream. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon to never miss my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.